Now it's time for me to show you how to use the Sani sling with the SA family of products. There's going to be times where a patient gets to the point where they need complete and total support to be transferred from either the bed, the chair, or the toilet. So what we offer you with our Sani sling is the ability to completely support that patient and still get the patient to the toilet. Let me show you how it works. You can kind of see that the sling itself is shaped like a horseshoe. We've got a strap in the center we're going to buckle around the person's waist, and we've got that lumbar support piece. So what we're going to do is we're going to hold that horseshoe upside down, step behind the patient, tuck the lumbar support down to the lumbar area, and bring the waist strap around the person's waist, tighten it, and then buckle it. Make sure it's snug. Take the leg straps, bring them around the hip, underneath the leg, into about the center of the knee and the hip area. Then do the same with the other side. Last is crisscross the leg straps. Now let's prepare the SA product to attach to the sling. We simply take the knee brace and foot plate and remove it from the lift. Approach the patient, open the base, bring it up to the person, lock the casters. Now we're going to connect the Sani sling to the spreader bar. Take the shoulder loops, connect them to the first set of hooks at the lowest loop position. Take the leg loops and connect them to the second set of hooks in the front at the lowest position. Hit the up button on the lift, and we're going to raise the patient out of the chair. And as you see, the patient is completely supported by the sling. So now you can see that we have the ability to transfer a patient who barely... Now it's time for me to show you how to use the buttocks support strap with the SA family of sit-to-stand products. As you can see right now, our patient is in the lift with the standard support vest behind their back. What this product's designed to do is provide additional support if the patient has a tendency to slide down through the sling during the transfer process. So I'm going to go ahead and raise up the patient as I normally would, and you can see that when the patient starts to raise up into a standing position, there's a possibility that they can slide down. So our buttock support strap will simply connect to this first set of hooks. And you have multiple loops to adjust the size, the length I mean. Bring it around the bottom and then connect it to the other side. So now you can see that with this additional support, we can minimize the possibility of the patient sliding down in the sling.